Ancient Rome and modern plumbing. Uh, Ancient Rome had running water, flushing toilets, heated floors, and indoor plumbing. Then it fell, and Europe did not rediscover most of these things for 1,400 years. At its peak, Rome's head had 11 aqueducts, supplying around 1 million liters of water per day to its citizens. Public bathhouses, thermae, and, could accommodate thousands of bathers simultaneously. Wealthy homes had lead pipes for running water. The Cloaca Maxima Parum Sistindi Siushetingi sewer system Mankini Gimli still drains rainwater in Rome today. Roman underfloor heating, Hypocaust, uh, circulated hot air under floors and behind walls. Public toilets had running water beneath the seats. When the Western Roman Empire collapsed in 476 AD, the engineering knowledge, maintenance systems, and administrative capacity to run these systems collapsed with it. Medieval Europe largely reverted to wells, outdoor privies, and carrying water by hand. What we consider modern conveniences were actually Roman standards 2000 years ago. Civilization is not a straight line upward.